We out here, figuring it out. What the fuck is up? What is the truth? Raw chicken, day 12. It's a nice day. It's always a nice day when you get sunshine. So, what do you think? Which is more important? Nutrition or community, relationships, family, getting that love? Which is more important? Like nutrition, these days it seems like there's not really community anymore. For many people. Some people might have cool communities. But many of us, the communities are kinda empty, meaningless, face value. Everybody just kinda wears a mask. They're behind this mask. Hard to know who they really are. Can you trust them? Not really. No real conversations. It's hard. The programming goes deep. Kinda sucks. Also the families these days. Many people have problems with the families, a lot of trauma from childhood. Parents broke up or separate. That sucks for the children. The parents are fucked up themselves. Don't really know what the fuck is going on, making mistakes. And of course that affects the children. Very little love left. Back in the days, at least the families were huge. Everybody had many kids, so you could have a lot of brothers and sisters. I think that would be pretty cool. That would create a family community, at least. Everybody lived more natural environments, more into nature. The food was much more natural, so better food if you can get the access to it. Got a nice look from this guy with the yellow backpack. This is a bit more public place. It was like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Talking about love and eating raw chicken. I was pretty hungry today. So yeah, I think the families were pretty much built better back in the days. That is what it seems like. So at least you had the family. Loving family, that's the best. A lot of children, brothers and sisters. We also got some beef liver today. Kind of strong tasting one. Chicken, beef liver and butter. So like nutrition, the communities, families, it's tough out there these days. I think the nutrition would help because everybody would be biochemically more sane, more healthy. just naturally more happy. You eat natural food, you become naturally more happy. At least that's the theory right now. And it seems to be working. It's not gonna be perfect. Nothing's gonna be really perfect here. But it would be so much better. Let's bring back real food. Big ass families. Let's bring back loving families. I don't have children yet, but what would be better to have than have your own children? I don't know. All we can do right now is get that shun, eat that raw chicken, and keep going. Maybe I get the salmon Nutella and get out of here. But this far, raw chicken making happy. Happy times. Also the sunshine. That's a hell of a combination. Anyways, see ya. Should I switch to raw duck every day? I can get these fools. Little fails. Hello. Wow, they are tame. He's winning me. Don't make me eat you. Let's go. I'm gonna eat you guys. They keep messing with me.